surprise natin yung baby ko. Padating na siya. Salubungin ko siya sa kabilang airport. Dahil surprise. Pante lang iba. Nasa pag niya yung mga ibang gamit ko. Hindi. Uwi ko na ako.
Nalikap, mamaya,
May malaki akong baby alive.
Upo ka muna dito, upo ka muna.
Okay?
Sandal ka.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Open mo na! Open! Open na, baby! Kara!
Tara.
Open! Come on, 1, 2, 3, go! Ah!
Ikaw din.
Laki ng baby alive mo, Kara, no?
Akin na to.
Sabi ko sa'yo, wag ka na mag-try sa airplane. Nandito ako sa airport pag landing.
O ikaw din. Hug ka rin, hug.
Huggy, huggy! Huggy!
Welcome to Canada, anak.
Oh, nasa Canada
Happy ka? Happy ka na? Happy
Uwi
ka
ka
na?
na ulit.
Uwi na tayo.
Uwi na ulit.
Sa Providence.
Uwi na, Provident.
Papasyal muna tayo.
Who is this, Dean? Who is this?
Kirby shellfish. Kirby. Kiss, kiss.
Kirby kiss.
Kirby kiss. Ayaw pa kiss. Ayaw ng kiss?
Kirby kiss.
Kirby kiss.
Kirby kiss.
Down. Down.
Kirby, go down.
Play dead.
Play dead, Kirby. No,
Play dead.
Kirby. Kirby. Kirby,
I will not give you pizza.
Kirby, Play dead.
Play dead.
Meron kasi siyang space. Kirby, play dead.
Sit. High five.
Huh?
High five. High five.
Kirby kiss. Kirby kiss. Kiss. Good job.
Mami, ano ba yan? Kawawan naman namin. Bilang. Hey. Hey. I miss you. Hindi makaalis. Baby, kaya ko yung make nanay coffee. Oh. Ay, galing naman my baby. Ang daming coffee ko naman. Ganyan lang yung coffee ni nanay. Ang galing. Okay. And then, ang galing naman, my love. Ito na yung milk. Ay, titimplahin pa na yung ang galing naman. O, tapos, hindi na yan eh. Coffee na yan eh. Ito. Milk, free milk. Ay, mag-open. Ayaw mabuksan. Ako na maglalagay ng tortilla. Ha?
Parang umalis.
Ay, no. Teka lang. Ayaw. Hmm? Nititaste ko pa. Ang sarap ng milk. I love you, baby. Pasyalan ka na lang ulit ni nanay dito. Hmm? At least nandito. Morning, Kirby. Good morning. Good morning, Kirby. Good morning, Kirby. Good morning, Kirby. Morning, Kirby. My super big dog. Hmm? Hey. Hey. No, baby dog. Oh. Bye-bye, Kirby. Bye-bye. Good. Bye-bye, Kirby. Bye. Bye. Take care of Kara, okay? Kirby, take care of Kara, okay? Okay. Take care of Kara. Kiss, Kirby, kiss. Kiss! Alright. Sit, Kirby, sit. Ay. Hi, Kirby, bye-bye. Oh, boy, I see you again. Bye-bye. Oh. Ay, big mouth. Oh. I miss you. Hey, love. Morning.
Nakalabas lang eh.
Playground.
Kapag malamig. Nanay.
Ano ba yan? Rico. The playground. Lamig na. 11 degrees. Hindi ka ba giniginaw?
Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi?
Hindi.
Bawal na magtagalog. Canada na to. Lamig, baby love.
Malamig eh.
Hey, hindi ka giniginaw?
Sarap malamig eh.
11 degrees. Canadian ka ba? Go. Again.
I found.
Again. Nice playground, right?
Yes. This is different in Philippines.
Oo nga. Nice playground dito,
Di ba
diba?
walang ganito sa Philippines?
Wala ba? Kawawa naman.
Line my hand up. I want
Ew.
to put it on my finger. I want to keep it on my finger.
See, there's free books to read, but you
1987
cannot take that. Okay, just return it after you read.
What is this book? Bro.
So you can come here in the afternoon to read. Okay?
Okay.
Ano ba, Mami Becca?
Tigas dito, ang lalim.
Seatbelt, may mga bata. Bawal dito walang seatbelt.
Wait lang.
garbage trucks.
Kaya ko nga sinabi that's old eh. Ikaw old. Ikaw. Ikaw po.
The ones that are sort of hidden. Yes. Like, no, the ones you can't see are fun because it looks like you're not wearing socks. Not wearing socks is different. Okay. It's the ones you can see but